So you're choosing between Fidelity and Merrill Lynch for your investments? Smart move, researching first. These are two of the biggest names in brokerage, but they're actually very different experiences. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one fits your needs. And hey, if this helps, hit that subscribe button. Let's dive in. Alright, quick rundown. Fidelity Investments is an independent brokerage powerhouse. Over 43 million accounts, known for zero commission trading, incredible research tools, and honestly, one of the best platforms if you want control over your own investments. They're big on IRAs, index funds, and their own Fidelity mutual funds with rock-bottom expense ratios. Merrill Lynch, owned by Bank of America, is wealth management focused. They've got about 15 million client accounts, but here's the key. They push you toward financial advisors. If you've got a Bank of America account, everything links together, your credit card rewards can go straight into investments. But that convenience comes with higher fees and less freedom. Let's get into what actually matters. Fees. Fidelity wins here, no contest. Zero commissions on stocks and ETFs, no account minimums for most accounts. Merrill? If you're using their self-directed Edge platform, sure, zero commissions. But most clients end up with an advisor, and that means management fees typically 0.85% to 1.5% annually. On a $100,000 portfolio, that's $850 to $1,500 every year just for advice. Platform and tools. Fidelity's Active Trader Pro is legitimately professional grade. Real-time data, customizable charts, advanced screening, it's what day traders and serious investors use. Merrill Edge is clean and beginner-friendly, but it's basic. The research is decent, but Fidelity's is deeper, especially their equity and fund analysis. Investment options. Fidelity crushes it. Over 3,300 no transaction fee mutual funds, fractional shares, crypto trading through their partnership, international stocks, you name it. Merrill has solid options, but fewer mutual funds without fees, and they really want you buying into their managed portfolios. Customer experience. Here's where it gets interesting. Merrill Lynch shines if you're already in the Bank of America ecosystem. Preferred Rewards members get commission-free trades boosted, bonus cash back, even relationship interest rate bonuses. It's seamless integration. Fidelity? No bank perks, but their customer service is legendary. 24/7 phone support. Actual humans who know what they're talking about, and over 200 branch locations. Who they're for, Fidelity is for the DIY investor. You want low costs, powerful tools, and total control. Merrill is for someone who values handholding, wants an advisor relationship, or already banks with Buffet and likes everything connected. Bottom line, if you're self-directed, cost-conscious, and want the best tools without paying for advice you don't need, Fidelity is the clear winner. But if you're new to investing, prefer guidance, or you're deep in the Bank of America world and want that integration, Merrill Lynch makes sense. Just know you're paying for that convenience. Most experienced investors pick Fidelity. Most people who want a financial advisor and don't mind fees pick Merrill. That's the real difference. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more breakdowns like this. I've got links to both platforms in the description if you want to check them out yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.